Let's take a look at how to use the Layout View window. Fixtures can be added to the Layout window for fixture selection within the window. So, how to add fixture to the Layout view? First, we click Normal Mode in the upper right corner to enter the Edit mode. In Edit mode, we click the plus sign. Then click on the blank space. On this interface, we may select the fixtures to be added. Fixture groups, palettes, and other items can also be selected for addition. Let's add fixtures first. Select 20 units beam light. Then click OK. The fixtures have been added to the Layout window. Click Adaptive. Automatically adjust the display scale of fixtures. Select Fixtures. We can use the encoders on the console to move the position of fixtures. Or just drag fixtures with our finger. After all, fixtures are added and their positions are adjusted properly. Click on a blank grid to deselect fixtures. Select Fixtures. Fixtures can be dragged freely to different positions when selected. Then we click Adaptive. If the display size is too large, it can be adjusted. We can zoom out or zoom in to adjust the scale of the display. Click on the plus sign. Then click on the blank space. Adding the remaining fixtures. For example, I choose these par lights. Click OK. Select the par lights, and they will be added to the Layout interface. Then manually adjust its display ratio. Then click the plus sign again. Click on the blank space. Add these 30 lamps as well. Select them and click OK. All of these 30 lights cannot be fully displayed. We can click Adaptive. Let it automatically adjust the display scale. These 30 lights are arranged vertically. We can select 5 lights per time. Then rotate the third wheel. To adjust its position, arrange them vertically. Select another 5 lights. Rotating encoder wheel to arrange it vertically. Like this. However, manual adjustment is rather slow. There is actually a quicker way to adjust it. We can directly use the matrix below. This automatically adjusts the number of columns and rows. How to remove fixtures from the Layout window? We click the minus sign, and then select the fixture. Then the fixture removal is completed. The fixtures are only removed from the Layout window, not deleted from the patch list. The fixtures we remove now can be added back again. Click the plus sign, and click the blank space. Select all the lights. Then click OK. Click Adaptive. We selected all 30 lights. Then click the matrix option below. We can adjust the following columns and rows. For example, I want it to be 6 columns and 5 rows. This purple grid is a preview. After we click Apply in the lower right corner, it will be arranged this way. Now it's just a preview state. Click Apply at the bottom right corner. The fixtures will be arranged according to the previous preset layout. At this time, we click Adaptive. Click Zoom Out. Click Zoom In. Select the cross arrow. Then we can drag the screen of this layout window. We can see that the current arrangement is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. But this arrangement is not what we want. We want fixtures to be arranged vertically. First, we need to deselect the cross arrow. Then select the fixture. If the cross icon is selected, fixture selection operations cannot be performed. So deselect it first, then select the fixture. Click on Matrix, 6 columns and 5 rows. Here we need to select Y2X, and then the alignment becomes vertical, which means arranging the Y-axis first, and then the X-axis. Click on Apply. Fixtures arrangement becomes 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Option has bottom to top, right to left. There are column spacing and row spacing below matrix. Select this column of fixtures. We can use the following spacing parameters to adjust the distance between the fixtures. Click Edit Mode, switch to Normal Mode. Click Adaptive, press Clear, Clear, Clear. First of all, this is the light on the upper left. Then this is the middle one. This one is also in the middle. Then the fourth column is on the right. And then the fifth column. The fifth column is in the middle of the left shelf. We can move the fifth column to the left. Let's back to the Edit mode. Press Clear button. Then we select the last two columns and move them aside. Select the fifth column and move it to the left. It will be more convenient when choosing lights this way. It makes it easier to distinguish the fixtures at each position. For example, this is the left light and this is the light on the right. Arrange according to the position of the lights on the site. Let's select LED power lights. Press Locate to light up. Click Color Attribute. The background color of the fixtures changes correspondingly according to the color we select.